Today I'll show you how to put the LENOVO Tab M10 into recovery mode. To get started, hold the power key and select Power Off. Wait for the device to shut off, then hold power key, volume up and volume down together. Once you see the Lenovo logo, release the keys and you'll be in recovery mode. In this mode, use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm selections. You can reboot the device, go to bootloader, apply updates, wipe cache, wipe data, or power off. Selecting Reboot System now will return you to Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.